Here it is, the Nieco automatic broiler. Check out the automatic feeder. It allows staff to continue with prep or engage with customers while product makes its way through the broiler all by itself. Thanks to the Broilvection airbox technology, the unit cooks faster while still achieving that perfect charbroiled flavor. The dual or triple belts give you the option of cooking multiple recipes at the same time with each item being prepared just right. The upper and lower broilers are easy to clean, which cuts daily maintenance time and makes closing the restaurant a breeze. The programmable touchscreen features a simple interface that new and experienced staff alike will find easy to use.